In this video, you'll learn how to install Claude Code using Homebrew on Windows. By following these steps, you will have Claude Code set up and ready for use in your PowerShell environment. Begin by opening PowerShell as an administrator. To do this, search for PowerShell in your Windows Start menu, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. This grants the necessary permissions for the installation process. Next, you will run the command to install Homebrew. Type or copy the following command into the PowerShell window, /bin/bash -c $, invoke web request use basic parsing https://raw.githubusercontent.com/ombrews/ombrews. After entering the command, press enter. The installation process will begin, and you may see some output indicating the progress. Wait for it to complete before moving on. Once the installation finishes, you need to add Homebrew to your system's path. In the same PowerShell window, enter the following command, $envo path + C Homebrew bin. This step ensures that Homebrew commands can be recognized in your terminal. After entering the command, press enter. To verify that Homebrew has been installed correctly, type brew-version in the PowerShell window and press enter. If the installation was successful, you should see output similar to Homebrew 460, confirming that Homebrew is ready to use. Now tap the Claude Code repository, as it may not be included in the main Homebrew repository. Enter the command brew tap Anthropic/Claude Code and press enter. This command registers the Claude Code formula with Homebrew, allowing for easy installation. To install Claude Code, type brew install Claude Code and press enter. Homebrew will automatically handle any dependencies, download the latest stable version of Claude Code, and place the executable in your path. Wait for the installation process to complete. To confirm that Claude Code is installed correctly, type Claude Code-version in PowerShell and press enter. You should see output indicating the version such as Claude Code CLI 20620, which confirms a successful installation. Next, set your API key by entering the command $env CAD_API_key equals CAAXYG123 your at key. Make sure to replace CXYG123 your at key with your actual API key. Press enter to execute the command. Finally, run a test prompt to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Type Claude Code. Hello Claude, summarize the benefits of PowerShell in 3 lines and press enter. You should see a live response directly in your console, indicating that Claude Code is operational. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.